Hello, comment nous y? Je dis à nous pour le faire chicken wings. Je mettre les en bas four et puis mettre en bas frite pour manger ça. Si son monde qui fait cholestérol bien qui pas vraiment manger un peu le reste, ou peut utiliser façon ça pour faire li. So pour pas tant que mettre chicken en bas four, banane m'a pas montre que j'aime pas le caler, m'a passé mettre petit spray là-dedans. Si pas gain spray ou ka mettre beurre, mettre petit épices, mettre en bas four pour tout cuit avec chicken wings là. Et puis, une fois m'a fait un lot, m'a fait un petit riz en basmati. Donc, so first week this is vraiment bon pour today, guys. I'm gonna bake chicken wings. I already clean and wash my chicken and I season it with my homemade seasoning. So if you don't know how to make that, you can go ahead on my channel. I have a video that show you how to make my green seasoning. Um, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bake the chicken wings and then I'm gonna peel my plantain. I'm gonna slide it like I'm gonna act like I was gonna fry it. I'm gonna slide it and I'm gonna put some sazon. I'm gonna put a little bit of stuff, black pepper, and then I'm gonna put it while the chicken wing is cooking. I'm gonna put it on under the oven to cook. So we're not gonna fry nothing today. It's gonna be very healthy meal, okay? And I'm gonna make some basmati rice with mushrooms. So guys, this is what I'm gonna do. So get ready to see everything. I hope you watch the video all the way through so you can get everything I'm doing. Okay. So ti moun sa mwen fè la, sa se tout res jous lan, m'a vide nan vyen nan. M'pral mette li men fou mwen, m'pral mette lan ba fou pour la yon inet tan. Après inet tan, m'a retel, m'a virel, m'a mette l pon inet tan. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my chicken wings at the oven for like 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm gonna take it out, I'm gonna flip it over, I'm gonna put it back for another 35 hour again. Make sure my meat cook all the way through. I want my meat to be well done now. You can see 1 hour already passed. My meat already getting ready. Look at the color. It looks so nice. So I'm gonna flip them over and then put them back under the oven. Kounya ti moun nou ka wajan vyen nan komanse kuit. Sa mpral fè la. Mpral vire li. Et puis mpral mette l back en bas fond. So kounya la se banan nan mwen kale. I wash my plantain. I slide it. It's easy to pull the plantain, guys. You get your knife. You don't put your finger, your nails in it. You do it with you see with the side of your hand. It comes very nice, very easy. You don't have to fight with it. It's very simple, very easy, guys. Vraiment facile pour caler, guys. It's very easy to peel, you know. Once I slide it, I add my sazon. I add a little bit of salt. I add the black pepper. If you have butter, you can put some butter. I have some cooking spray, like the one you make pancake. I spray a little bit on it, and then it was ready to bake, okay? So, I'm going to mettre banane en bas pour un petit monde. Moi, te vire chicken en bas. Moi, tourner mettre chicken wings en bas. Zèle pour en bas pour encore. So, qu'on y a là. Je vais préparer pour mal faire du riz, ok? So, ça c'est une te geta mette fouillon poireau, moi mette ti sel, ti là-dedans. So, qu'on y a là, l'eau du riz bouillie, t'as pas le dégager, m'te ka mette banane en bas fond. This is what I'm gonna add. I add sazon in there. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of you can add olive oil or you can spray that. You see, if you have that, you can add it. But if you don't have that, you can spray it with the pancake spray, or you can add a little bit of butter. It's okay. Either way is good. Okay. So nous connaissons pas manger Maggi Timon, c'est puis ça, genre c'est lui moi mettez dans tout viande moi tout ça m'a fait me mettre le temps mais tout manger m'a fait qui rapport avec Maggi, t'es qu'à mettre lui remplacer Maggi moi, OK? Moi retirer Maggi dans cuisine moi longtemps ça. Ça c'est un petit poivre m'a mettre Timon. I'm adding some black pepper, guys. Now it's ready to go under the oven. It's ready to bake, okay? The chicken are already in there. I'm gonna add the plantain now. And then my water already boiling. I'm gonna wash my white rice and add it. So l'eau du te get a bouilli ti moun kon yon bal lave du riz. Ça c'est un jasmine rice bal cuit. So m'a lave jasmine rice m'a pral metel. Ça m'a montre côté m'ta fait du riz que on dit blanc besoin petit poivre, petit l'huile, juste mettre dans chaudière frit, petit sel. Puis ne pas faire qu'on mettre petit girofle pas tout le temps pour qu'avoir bon petit goût et puis on finit tout. So when I'm that meat on poivre, I was adding some black pepper in my chicken and some lime juice. Okay? Because I just like it. Because when the chicken is cooking, like all the juice went down, so you want to make sure your chicken have a I don't know. I just love the lime on my chickens. I don't know, and I add some black pepper. It tastes so good, guys. Trust me. As I said before, I did seasoning my chicken with my homemade green seasoning. The video is on my channel. You can make that. It's very easy. All you need is garlic, parsley, thyme, green onions, bell pepper, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, and black pepper. I don't use Maggi. I replace my Maggi. I don't use bouillon cube. I replace my bouillon cube with sazon. So if you have that, you can add a couple teaspoon in there to blend and then do not use water to blend your spice. You can use oil or vinegar. Since when I do mine, I let it in the fridge for like the whole week, so I don't have to make spice when I'm cooking. I can do all my prep and everything will be ready. So now it's well done, guys. I'm gonna add my barbecue. I'm gonna add half barbecue sauce and half without the sauce. So I have people at my house that doesn't eat the barbecue sauce. So I'm gonna have to, you know, if your people eat don't eat barbecue sauce. Some of them you can do the same way I did mine. But if you guys don't mind, you can just put barbecue on the whole thing, okay? I'm cutting some asparagus right now. I'm gonna saute them with some garlic and black pepper and a little bit of olive oil. I don't know. I like to like to add some veggie, on my food, whatever. If there is dinner, breakfast, I love to add veggie on my food. So, ti moun toujou la nan fe manje, toujou met ton ti vegetab bon kote. So, pas vraiment pas manger chicken, du riz, ou ti vegetab qui, at least ou kon ti vitamine, ou kon vous allez pour là déjà en protéines, so ou besoin vegetable ou, euh, c'est pas de qui je ou pour le faire après, so ka faire un petit jus de citron, un petit bagage qui naturel, la puis bon toujours ça. Toujours contrôler son à manger, mes amis. So, ça m'a fait là, mettre un pied viande là, m'a mettre barbecue sauce là-dedans, et puis restant, pas mettre barbecue sauce parce que, il y a un monde qui va le manger là-dedans, ils disent pas besoin de barbecue sauce, non, pas là. So, what I'm doing, guys, I'm adding the barbecue sauce on half of the chicken and the rest, I don't add barbecue sauce because I have people in my house that doesn't eat barbecue sauce, so I left the other side just like the way it is, so they can eat. Okay. Now I'm gonna make my asparagus. I'm gonna add my garlic, chopped garlic, sazon, black pepper, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. This is what I use garlic. I don't know. I want some more. Like I got them from Bravo. So I was like, oh my God, look at purple garlic. It's been a while I don't see them. So I said, let me get some. They taste really good. I don't know. There's something about the purple garlic. Oh God, it tastes so good. So là, ils veulent ça au timon. Mettre à l'un côté, puis moi, tout acheter. Moi, côté, m'y a par contre, ouais, when they font partie, puis me dit, you know what? Bon, tout acheter parce que vraiment, là, ils sont, Haïti, t'es conservé avec. Ils veulent vraiment bon. This is green onions. I'm gonna add some green onions. So, ça c'est 6 poireaux. I don't know. Bon, mettez un petit peu un pied là-dedans. Je vais acheter le fin pour me faire. So, je vais manger parce que bon là, c'est ça qui était nous, tout le monde. Pour nous faire. The food is almost ready, guys. The only thing that I have left is the veggie that I'm cooking now, okay? Add your oil, like not too much, okay? You don't need a lot. Mettez ti l'huile tout petit, ou pas besoin pile l'huile, tout le monde. Mettez, I'm adding the green onions, garlic. Shake it a little bit, you know. After that, I add my veggies, okay? Add your veggie. If you can shake it, it will be better, like I did. If you can, just get your soup, get your wooden spoon, get your spoon, do it. You know, it's okay. Nobody perfect, okay? So now I'm gonna add my seasoning in there, which is black pepper, sazon, okay? That's all. And a little pinch of salt. Okay, guys. The food is ready. You not show that twice? No, I don't know. Pas mwen te montre nou kote nou tap met barbecue sauce nan lot pati an. I don't know. So ti moun manja kuit la, mwen pal separe ave mwen pal montre nou ki jan nou kon le plat yo range bien bel la ki jan kon fel. Ok. So mwen pal fel devan nou pasen gen moun ki te di, oh, tout an ou jes montre manje ki jan yo range, but ou pa jan montre manje ki jan la range. A lot of people ask me like why I never show how I play like the food and everything, how they look so nice. This is how I do it, guys. Get a bowl. It could be medium, small. Add your rice, press it down with your spoon, flip it over on the plate, and then take it off. You get the shape. Okay? It's easy. Okay? Simple. Now I'm adding my veggie. I always like to add a little bit veggie. I don't know, like I don't like to eat without vegetables. I don't know. So now I'm gonna add my chicken wings. I'm gonna add it. So koun a ti moun nou ka wan pan mette pretan prepare durian sa mwen te fe mette durian nan ti bol, mwen peze ki an, epi mwen mwen vire l bo, mwen leve l tout doucement, epi li bon mwen yon soti avek an bel form kon sa. This is the plantain, guys. I did bake my plantain the same way I baked my chicken because I didn't want to fry. I don't want to fry nothing. I want it to eat the meal, but in a healthy version of the meal, okay? If you don't want that, you can only fry your chicken, fry your plantain. But me, I didn't want to eat nothing greasy today. Like I didn't want to fry anything in the house, so I did prefer that instead of frying. Okay, guys, it's up to you. So ti moun bat le fou nan kalan jodi an, mwen te just vle bake tout bagay mwen. So se kon sa te sorti. Si pou kon abone an chanel sa nan mwado, tan pri al abone. Et puis partager vidéo pour moi s'il vous plaît. Là, regardez vos familles, vos amis. M'a vraiment apprécié ça. Et puis moi contente, ou même qui nos familles avec nous, merci d'être pas jamais là, nous toujours là avec nous. Nous vraiment apprécié ça. I want to say thank you guys for thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Those of you who already subscribed to my channel, thank you. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the bell notification. You know, whenever I upload something, you will be the first one to see it. And I really appreciate that. Let's grow in the family together, you know. Let's grow together, guys, okay? Tout le monde, ça c'est manger. This is the food, guys. How easy, as simple as that, you know. It's just a little sauce from the asparagus. So there you go, guys. This is not that complicated. It's easy. It's healthy. There's no fried stuff here. Everything is baked. and the rice and the vegetables